Alright, let's see what we have. Resistance bands. They come in different colors. You got the green, you got the red one, you got the black one, you got the green one, and you got the purple one. Basically, this is the kit you want to have when it comes to calisthenics. The bends are quite useful in two areas, basically to make progressions, to make it any move any easier for you, or to even make a move harder, such as the face pulls, to make it harder. Or say you want to work on your chin-ups, you're working on your pull-ups, and you find it hard to get even one rep to get your chin up at the bar, you can use either of the red one and any of the other colors, whichever you feel more comfortable and based on your strength levels, basically. And then you also have parallettes. Parallettes are very good when it comes to push-ups, planche training, handstands, push-ups. And the idea about the parallettes is that they stabilize the move and they make it also easier for you because you can have a stronger grip, a firm grip around the apparatus. So these are the main components that I should use in my bodyweight training on a daily basis. So I recommend you guys to use whichever you want, and if anything, get the entire kit. These are from Recon, which is a sports brand which is coming out very, very soon. So if you need any, I can probably supply you with that. Alright guys, I wish you a lovely week. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you next week. Peace.